Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Etisalat SIM card online in 2026. So if you no longer need your number or you want to permanently close your line, here is the correct process of doing it. So first of all, simply launch your E and UAE application on your phone. Over here, tap on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now here you need to simply provide your number and you need to verify it with the help of your OTP. You can also log in here with the help of your UAE pass and with the help of your username and password. So when you are inside the dashboard, simply navigate to your account or mobile lines section where you are going to see all of your active numbers. So among the given numbers, you just have to simply choose that particular SIM card or the mobile line which you want to deactivate. So when you open the settings, you just have to simply look for the option of the deactivate SIM. So Etisalat is going to ask for the confirmation to prevent any accidental deactivation. So simply review the details carefully before processing. In some cases, you may be asked to complete the OTP verification or facial verification for security purposes. So once you submit it, you will typically receive confirmation via SMS or app notifications once the line is successfully deactivated. So this is how basically you can deactivate your Etisalat SIM card online. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.